Hi everyone, today's video is going to be about Auto Trading Hub live trading session. Trade like a beginner, profit like a pro, part 3. Let's go! How y'all doing? I hope y'all are doing great. This video from Instax Trading, and today's video is going to be about Auto Trading Hub live trading session where I am going to trade like an absolute beginner without any knowledge of trading at all, but I am going to profit like a super pro forex CFD traders. But before you see all that, if this is your first time watching a video in our channel but you would like to know more about day trading, best software to trade with, scam software not to trade with, or any other money making software, do not forget to hit the like button for this video and the subscribe button so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Welcome to today's session of the Auto Trading Hub, guys. Auto Trading Hub is a semi-auto trading software which works on an algorithm which it creates for you to do a technical analysis so that it can provide you with a better result. But who am I to tell you that? This website of the Auto Trading Hub itself tells you regarding the what does the Auto Trading Hub does, how it works, the FAQs and everything sort of that, and they even provide you with a support email that you can email to if you need any help or assistance from them. To go to this homepage, all you gotta do is go to the description of this video, click on a link stating Auto Trading Hub, and it will directly bring you to this particular page where you can do all sort of your research and everything, as well as you can go ahead and register your account here as well. So let's go into today's trading session of the Auto Trading Hub, where I'm going to do a live trading session just like the ones that I had for this whole week, guys, where I'm going to show to you on how to trade using the Auto Trading Hub. Because Auto Trading Hub, the biggest highlight about the Auto Trading Hub is that even beginners with zero knowledge of trading, zero experience from the trading industry, they could actually use the Auto Trading Hub. Moreover, they can even profit like a pro trader, like a person who has been in the trading industry for quite some time. They can profit using the Auto Trading Hub. So let's go into our trading session. Let's log in into our Auto Trading Hub. Let me just log in into our Auto Trading Hub. Just sorry guys, sometimes this captcha always gives problem. I always be very fast, and as you can see, this is my account of my personal Auto Trading Hub. My name is over here and everything looks very decent, guys, but there is a big downfall of the Auto Trading Hub, which is that the balance or the broker or nothing will be shown in this particular interface of the Auto Trading Hub. So don't worry guys, I have also logged in into my broker which is associated with this particular account of the Auto Trading Hub, which is the Invest to Us. As you can see, this is my broker page, guys. My current balance is 6,950.62 euro current balance, guys. So today definitely I am hoping to increase my balance to at least 7,000 mark, so that next week I'm planning to do a 10k challenge where I'm gonna make a profit of 3k in next week alone. So let's hope for everything to go as my plan. Now let's get back to the Auto Trading Hub. The Auto Trading Hub, when you see the Auto Trading Hub, personally it might look a little bit intimidating with all these graphs and everything, but don't worry guys, all these tools over here is to help you to trade, is to help is for example, if you know how to use chart, you know what is support, you know what is resistance, you know what is pips and everything. So if you know all this, you know how to use a chart when it comes to trading, you know how to do your own technical analysis method, then you can use the details provided by the Auto Trading Hub. For example, let's take GBP USD, right? So all you gotta do is go to GBP USD, and then you can actually see what is the point that they are going to start, how is the graph going, what is the stop loss, what is the take profit and everything. So you can actually utilize these particular charts so that you can make profit in the Auto Trading Hub. But that is for a different thing, guys. That is if you have a knowledge and if you have experience tradings and everything like that. But what if you are with zero knowledge, guys? You do not have anything to do with trading, you're busy, because trading is not something very easy, guys. If you ask me personally, I've been trading manually for quite some time, and when it comes to trading, right, trading is not something very easy. It's actually very hard, because trading is something, this is very high risk, guys, which means trading, whenever you go to a broker or whatever, they will definitely tell you that disclaimer, trading is a very high thing and everything, because when it comes to trading itself, trading is a very high risk industry. This is because you can make tremendous amount of profit in the trading industry if you know what you're doing, if you do it correctly. So regardless of whatsoever, when you're making high profit, there would be high risk as well. There is no such thing in world that you make high profit where you make where you have a little bit risk, or maybe you don't have risk at all. There's no such things like that. So trading is very hard, guys. So maybe you could not invest your time to learn trading and stuff like that. That is why these semi-auto trading softwares are there to help us to trade and everything. And keep in mind, guys, the auto trading hub specifically, it works only on the Google Chrome browser. As you can see over here, this is the browser extension of the auto trading hub. If you use your Google Chrome, all you gotta do is, the first time when you use the auto trading hub, go over here, the browser extension, and download the browser extension so that you can actually use their auto trading features. So the next thing you gotta do is go and check the economic calendar. As you can see, I'm using investing.com. Make sure that you change your time into your local time, and currently we are somewhere around 8:25, and as you can see, around 1 hour from now, there is a high volatile news on a Chinese yen. But still I'm trading at this time. Usually I do not trade at this time, but as you can see, I usually trade somewhere around here, right? So the whole day actually, until somewhere around 7:30 tonight, there is high volatile news. So I could not trade anywhere in between. Somewhere I might be able to trade somewhere around here after an hour and something like that. But definitely I would like to utilize today the high volatility of the Chinese yen, because usually I don't trade on Chinese yen, this pair, which is Chinese yen. So what I do is I want to utilize the high volatility of this Chinese yen. So what happened is, high volatility, I told you guys earlier, right? So I'm sorry guys, my tongue is twisting by itself. So high volatility means high profit. So whatever, when we trading, what we do is we try to avoid high risk so that we can mitigate the risk and make profit. But sometimes you can also utilize that particular risk to make profit. So today I'm going to utilize the Chinese yen's high volatility. So what I'm going to do is, definitely this Chinese yen's high volatility is going to affect the whole market, which is going to affect the major pairs as well as the minor pairs as well. So what you're going to do is, you're going to use it and you're going to trade, guys. So let's go back into the auto trading hub and start trading. It's pretty simple, guys. All you're going to do is have a piece of paper and pen. Do not forget that, guys. When you're trading with auto trading hub, make sure to have a piece of paper and pen with you, because this is for you to note down the take profit as well as the stop loss if the auto trading hub itself never set for you. Sometimes there's a glitch and it does not set it for you. So all you have to do is switch on the auto trading button and then go ahead and choose a nice pair, guys. USD Swiss francs 90% with 35% take profit and stop loss of 20%, 20 pips, sorry guys. So just note it down, take profit, stop loss, and all you're gonna do is go ahead and press a lot size that you want to trade with, and then press the trade button and choose the broker that you are related to. I am actually related to two of the brokers there. This is the 24 options for my personal use. I've also shown you trades in 24 option before using the auto trading hub, and then the investors where I use it for normal trading purposes on this video channel, on this YouTube channel, guys. So as you can see, the trades has been placed, but the stop loss and the take profit has not been placed. Don't panic, guys. All you gotta do is go ahead, set the stop loss and profit. So all you gotta do is key in the number that you have noted down, and keep in mind guys, the left hand side is always the stop loss and the right hand side is the take profit. So remember to tick the box. What will happen if you tick this box is actually when the market reach that particular level, it will actually close by itself. So automation is done for you. So once done that, all you gotta do is submit, and your take profit and the stop loss will be set automatically. So what will happen is, regardless of what you do, this trade will close by itself. So all you gotta do is go ahead and place more trades. Let's go ahead and place a nice trade, guys. Today's market looks good, guys. So because of the high volatility as well. So let's go GBP Japanese yen with 37 take profit, 16 stop loss. So let's go ahead and place a trade on here. Lot size is a very important topic, guys, but nowadays not a lot of people are asking me about lot size, because I think a lot of people have been familiar with using the auto trading hub. So the lot size is something that you have to keep in mind when you're trading. So if you're trading with a minimal lot size, always make sure that you do not go more than 0.15. 0.1 to 0.15 is the best for if you invested only $100 or $250, guys. Keep in mind guys. So that is very important for you to keep in mind as well. So USD, Japanese yen, GBP Japanese yen done. So let's go on another one, guys. Maybe another two, who knows. Let's see whether I could get another good trade or not. USD Japanese yen looks nice at 69% of stop loss, and oh my god, where is it? USD Japanese yen. Oh my god, it has changed, guys. So it's constantly changed, right? So we need to be fast. GBP USD, guys. Let's go for GBP USD. I was planning to take 4 trades today, but I don't know whether I'm capable of taking 4 trades or not. So let's go for GBP USD. I've taken down the take profit and stop loss. Remember to have piece of paper and pen with you all the time, guys. Also, wait, just give me a minute. Something happened. GBP USD. Take. All right. GBP USD. Let's wait for the trade to finish. Let's see whether there's any duplicate trade. Sometimes there's a duplicate trade there, sometimes there is no duplicate trade. Like today, it looks very good. There's no duplicate trade. So all you gotta do is go ahead and set the stop loss as well as the take profit. So remember to tick this box, guys. It's very important. If you don't tick this box, regardless they reach the take profit or stop loss, they will not close the trades for you, which means the automation will not work. Let's go for one more, guys. NZD USD. Yes, 4 trades for today. NZD USD looks great. 6164. Let's go. So let's see what happens with this trade as well. I hope everything goes very smooth today. There's no duplicate trade. Yes, guys, there's no duplicate trade, which means I don't need to close any trades, and I did not lose any money even before starting. Or if this does not happen, then it's quite nice, guys. So sorry, guys, 78, and it should be 164 stop loss. And we are done with our trades, guys. 4 trades have been placed, and I have also placed all the stop loss as well as the take profit. So now the trades will close automatically regardless of what you do after a few hours. So all you're gonna do is go ahead and do your stuff and come back, guys. So we will be back as well to see what happened to our trades. Welcome back to the auto trading hub, guys, and let's not waste any time. I've seen that this video is gonna be very long, guys, so let's, without wasting any time, let's go into our brokers and see what happened to our trades. As you can see over here, out of 4 trades, we have won 3 trades and we have lost 1 trade. Totally we have a winning rate of 80% today, and we have made a profit of 1002.95 euros, guys. As you can see, my balance has also increased over here to 7,953.29 euros. I'm super hyped because I wanted to reach the 7k mark. Now I am almost $50 behind the 8k mark, so definitely next week I'm gonna reach my 10k mark using the auto trading hub. Perhaps once I've reached my 15k mark, I will definitely do my first withdrawal using the auto trading hub. So whatever said and done, guys, the auto trading hub is currently the best the best semi auto trading software when it comes to the signals powerfulness. As you can see, out of 3 trades we have actually won, out of 4 trades we have won 3 trades, and this particular trade, when we try to utilize the Chinese yen high volatile market today, we managed to make a profit of 429.83 euros in one single trade. So if you want to make money like how I did, 1,000 euro in one trading session, perhaps when you're starting to use the auto trading hub, this would not be your result, definitely, because I've been using auto trading hub for more than a month right now. That is why and I have built up my account from small until big. So when you're starting, perhaps you should see my other videos when I begin the auto trading hub, and you'll be slightly making profit. But if you're consistently trading and you're consistently make profit, definitely you can make profit like how I did one day. So if you want to join the auto trading hub, all you gotta do is go and clear your cache and cookies. Once you have cleared your cache and cookies, come to the description of this video. There's a link saying auto trading hub. Click on that particular link, sign up, deposit, verify account, and start making money. We have reached to the end of today's video. If you have any question regarding today's video or any other videos in our channel, do not hesitate to drop us a comment below, just below this video, or you can email us at apsocialhouse@outlook.com. Don't forget, you can also private message us in our Facebook page, Instax Trading. We do have a beautiful website, www.instaxtrading.com. Do drop by if you have the time to do so. This is Speedy from Instax Trading, and remember to invest safely always.